Look, let's cut through the noise. If you're stuck thinking borders protect you, then you're already behind. The real pain? Watching opportunity slip through your fingers because you wait for permission, for some perfect moment, or because you cling to outdated rules that kill progress before it starts. You're tired of hearing how globalization is some abstract thing happening somewhere else, far from your problem. But here's the thing, the problem you face: slowed growth, lack of meaningful scale, stalling innovation. These all come from ignoring what's right in front of you: cross-border investment. Not just throwing money across borders blindly, but investing with the sharpest focus on building something that lasts and grows sustainably, no matter where it is. The frustration you feel, it's valid. You're fighting against invisible walls, the inefficiencies of local markets, currency traps, political noise, cultural misunderstandings. It's exhausting. You see projects die or stagnate because capital isn't moving smart, because connections aren't real, because everyone is playing by old, broken rules that serve no one but gatekeepers. Here's what no one tells you. Sustainable growth through cross-border investment isn't about spreading thin and hoping. It's brutal, deliberate, and it requires mastering three things right now. First, know where real value hides, not just the obvious markets, but the overlooked pockets where innovation meets untapped talent and demand. Invest there with ruthless precision. Second, build partnerships like your life depends on it, not some handshake deal for PR, but real, transparent alliances where risks and wins are shared equally. This means going deeper than contracts. Understand culture, incentive structures, local governance, and where corruption kills progress. Third, don't fall into the trap of just chasing returns or political favors. You have to effect change. Tie your capital to measurable impact, whether environmental, social, or operational, that forces businesses to stay in motion, to expand responsibly, to innovate continuously. If you ignore that you're just another money source, replaceable and irrelevant, you must be a catalyst, actively pushing projects to not only survive beyond borders, but to thrive and transform markets. Now, how do you unleash this? You have to tear down your own walls first. Stop thinking in terms of national allegiance or local comfort. Embrace the raw network of founders, operators, thinkers who see things as they are, not as comfortable stories, and connect with them across borders. Build a real ecosystem of trust and mutual demand, because the right link can spark exponential growth. Don't wait for the system to hand you the green light. Create the conditions yourself. Use every tool: digital communication, real-time data flow, joint ventures, shared equity, aligned incentives that double as accountability. You have power, real power, to recreate how capital flows globally, but only if you get ruthless about cutting through bureaucracy, emotional bias, and lazy thinking. It's not just about money, it's about the freedom to build outside old rules, the freedom to choose partners who push you harder, the freedom to scale impact far beyond local limits. Stop settling for local small wins that can't move the needle globally. Lean into complexity, decay old loyalties, and fight for a networked future where borders don't stop growth or limit innovation. This is the grind, this is the fight. Cross-border investment, done right, breaks you out of stagnation and drives controlled, sustainable expansion that no local market alone can deliver. If you're serious, start acting like it. Identify where value breathes, connect with those who can move fast and trust hard, and lock capital to impact like your legacy depends on it, because it does. No fluff, no distractions. This is the playbook for anyone done watching potential die under layers of red tape and fear. Get involved, go global, make growth unstoppable. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit the featured link to discover more.